and all those seeking inspiration and motivation. I stand before you today to shed light on a subject that affects millions around the globe, the tantalizing path to obesity. Yes, you heard me right. We live in an era where delicious temptations lurk around every corner, beckoning us with their seductive flavors and enticing aromas. It's time to address this issue head-on and understand the importance of eating moderately, without compromising our health and fitness. In life, we often encounter paths that appear easy and enjoyable at first glance. They promise immediate gratification, instant pleasure, and the fulfillment of our desires. The path to obesity can be likened to one of these alluring avenues. Indulging in delectable treats may bring temporary satisfaction, but it can lead us down a treacherous road of health complications and decreased well-being. It is in our hands to recognize this and make choices that benefit our long-term happiness. As renowned author Oscar Wilde once said, "Everything in moderation, including moderation." These words hold immense wisdom and are especially relevant when it comes to our relationship with food. Enjoying a piece of cake or savoring a savory dish is not a crime, but indulging excessively can take a toll on our bodies, affecting our physical and mental health. The path to obesity may seem tasty, but let's not forget that our bodies are temples, deserving of care and respect. When we consume nourishing foods in appropriate portions, we provide our bodies with the fuel they need to thrive. Remember the wise words of Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, who proclaimed, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." By adopting a balanced approach to eating, we not only prevent obesity, but also promote overall well-being. Health and fitness go hand in hand, and as we navigate the complexities of life, we must remember that our bodies are our most valuable assets. The renowned motivational speaker Jim Rohn once said, "Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live." These words ring true in the pursuit of a healthy lifestyle. By making conscious choices to eat moderately, we invest in our own vitality, energy, and longevity. Life is a journey filled with countless choices, and the path to obesity is just one of many forks in the road. By choosing moderation and balance, we empower ourselves to live a life of fulfillment and joy. Remember the words of Buddha, to keep